Making money demands great effort and long hours. That's what we have been told, at least. Fortunately, today, there are several rather simple means of making some additional money. And the greatest aspect of it, you must not even go from your home to complete them. We want to show you 17 ways to make money from home the lazy way in this video. Lazy approaches to earn money from home. Let's first discuss the first lazy approach to generate revenue from home. Sleep to get paid. One thing is certain, getting paid to sleep is just too lazy an approach to generate money. How does it operate? The most often used approach is to engage in sleep study or clinical testing. Universities or hospitals want to know more about elements such as brainwaves, heartbeat, or sleep respiration might have on. This is why they compensate individuals to sleep as they examine their behavior. For an 8-day sleep study, participants at the University of Colorado Boulder were once compensated $2,450. Alternatively, visit the website sleepstandards.com, where one night is in a luxury 5-star resort and candidates are paid $2,000 to spend 5 nights sleeping in various surroundings. Alternatively, you could visit the company each night, where you are compensated for trying sleep-related products like mattresses or bedding. Participants in a 30-day nap study were paid $1,500, not too excellent for a sleeping job. Paid to sample food. Since you have to eat regardless, why not profit from it? Food producers are very interested in the views of their potential consumers on their products. They wish to test a new type of food and make sure people adore it before they begin large-scale production. For testing pizza, ice cream, or other frozen or breakfast items, companies including McCormick or Schwan Food Company may compensate you as much as $15 per test. Alternatively, you could become a restaurant tester and leave comments after visiting a new restaurant with the Survey app. Or you could earn up to 10% cashback when eating out using Dosh. Get paid to watch videos. Watching videos all day, you could indeed earn money. This genuinely works and is totally legitimate. You could explore a number of sites. Swagbucks, where you earn points for every brief video clip you view, is among the most often used ones. Later, these points can be redeemed for Amazon gift cards or PayPal cash. Viggle is another app you should review. Here you can get paid for watching your favorite shows and movies on TV or via Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon. Get paid to shoot pictures and videos. Check out the app Pop to help you make money from home and in a very lazy manner if your phone is loaded with images and videos. Just upload your images or videos using the app. You get paid if a company, agency, or anyone buys your work. You can also participate in photo missions, which call for you to capture images or videos of certain goods. Rewards for these range from $30 to $500. 5. Get paid to shop. Through apps like Ibotta and Rakuten, which provide cashback and incentives for purchases, get paid to shop. Ibotta offers cashback on groceries, household goods, and more per item bought. Earnings run from a few cents to several dollars. With earnings usually between 1% and 10% of your purchase amount, Rakuten provides cashback and discounts at a vast spectrum of retailers. For instance, if you make a $100 purchase at a store, with 5% cashback via Rakuten, you might receive $5. 6. Get paid to utilize Google or other search engines. Indeed, you can even get paid for something as basic as utilizing search engines. Swagbucks, for instance, rewards users looking online via its search engine. For each search, users earn Swagbucks points, which they may exchange for gift cards or PayPal cash. Likewise, QMe provides cash incentives for internet searching. Earnings range from a few cents to several dollars every search or click on sponsored results. A user might earn 10 cents, for instance, for clicking on a sponsored link. 7. Get paid to walk. Even the laziest folks engage in some sort of physical exercise or go for a stroll now and then. Are you aware of apps available that pay you for it? Examples are Sweatcoin, which turns steps into a digital currency spendable for goods or services, and Achievements. Usually falls between 5 cents and 10 cents every mile of walking or comparable physical exercise. Remember that these revenues depend on your personal use as well as app-specific incentives or bonuses. Although it offers a simple approach to make additional money while remaining active, it could not generate a whole income using this technique. 8. Get paid to utilize data gathering apps. Are you searching for more means of money without working anywhere? Then download and activate free data collecting apps like Nielsen, DataCoop, or Mobile Expression. They gather your anonymized phone data and apply it to customer research. These apps let you passively earn roughly $15 to $20 every week. 9. Get paid to chat in English with others. Teaching English is absolutely not a sleepy way to generate income from home. But what about just talking to someone? Cambly, a platform, pays you to do one-on-one sessions with people throughout the world to help them improve their English language proficiency. You are not need to have a bachelor's degree or teaching certificate. Not even teaching experience is needed. If you work on Cambly Kids, you earn $12 per hour. Otherwise, you're paid per minute you talk, which amounts to $10.20 each hour. Every Monday, payments are made using PayPal. 10. Receive payment for selling your goods online. Another sluggish approach to generate rapid money is to declutter your home and sell items you no longer need. You might find that obsolete electronics, books, clothes, furniture, or anything in your house that you no longer require. Just snap some pictures and post them to Poshmark, Bookscouter, OfferUp, or Facebook Marketplace. Your potential earnings, either a few $100s or more, depend on how much you have for sale. 11. Get compensated for game playing. Do you enjoy spending your time gaming on your phone or computer? Why not make money for doing this? Several approaches exist to begin. One way to earn points for playing brief games inside the apps is to utilize Swagbucks or Inbox dollars. Later, the points can be exchanged for gift cards or PayPal cash. Working as a gaming coach is another possibility. Help others to get better in particular online games or esports. Rates usually here range from $20 to $200 every hour. Alternatively, you might become a Twitch streamer and make money by streaming your gaming, or start a YouTube channel where you discuss it. 12. Get paid to market ad space on your vehicle. If you own a car, you might register with sites like Carvertise, Rapify, or Sticker Ride to locate a business wanting to put advertisement stickers on your vehicle. These might be large global corporations like Pandora or Expedia, or local vendors like restaurants or hairdressers. Being a mobile billboard could earn you between $100 and $400 monthly. 30. Get rent your car paid. If you have a car, another option is to rent it on days when you don't require it. To locate locals, tourists, or business people eager to rent your car on an hourly or daily basis, you can list it on sites like HireCar, GetAround, or Turo. Renting it out 10 to 14 days a month could yield $800 to $1,000 monthly passively. Receive payment for renting your parking space. And a third lazy way to generate money from your car is to rent out your parking space if you have one. Many people would be willing to pay to park their cars. List your parking space by visiting sites like JustPark, Your Parking Space, or MobiPark. Your monthly income for not doing anything will range from $50 to $500, depending on your location and rental period. Get paid to test websites. Though it sounds convoluted and time-consuming, it is not. Just sign up on a testing site like User Testing, User Field, Testing Time, or Chequilos. These days, you click through specific websites or applications to look for flaws or anything requiring improvement. You either record yourself while examining the website or apps, or later report your results. For a quick online test of 10 to 30 minutes, you usually make between $10 and $20. If you participate in a live discussion, you could make up to $165 per live test. 16. Get paid to create book reviews. Do you enjoy reading? Why not start generating money by providing a summary or your thoughts on books you just read? This is absolutely a lazy approach to make money while in pajamas and resting in bed all day. Sign up with sites like Online Book Club, Women's Review of Books, InstaRead, or Writerful Books, and make up to $100 per review or summary. 17. Receive payment for product testing. This one very closely resembles website testing. You first register with product testing platforms, then receive the items you need to test. You could find this: electronics, beauty goods, food items, utensils for households, garments, or any other objects. Depending on the company, you either review the item or film yourself testing it. Generally speaking, you retain the item afterwards, while other more thorough tests might yield you $100 to $500 per test. The smaller tests earn about $10 to $20 per test. Look at websites such as Product Report Card, Opinion Outpost, Toluna Panel, or Ipsos iSay. What should I want to make money from home the lazy way? The lazy way to earn money from home requires just a few key basics. Accessing online platforms that provide lazy money generating possibilities, such as playing games, watching movies, and passive income, requires a dependable internet connection. One can readily explain having a computer or smartphone. Your selected approach will determine whether basic abilities or knowledge would be useful. A committed workspace can boost output, even if it is not absolutely required. Start making money from home today. There are some excellent means to earn money from home the lazy way, as you can see. Several of these techniques even allow for passive income generation. It will not get better than that. Although many of these concepts would probably not provide you a full-time income, you could certainly combine a few of them and have a really nice side business using these lethargic money-making techniques.